छोड़ो रिलैक्स करो हाथ ऐसे
Okay, after coming here, she improved a lot. Before that, we went even to Guwahati, but her condition does not improve. But after coming here and having done the treatment, she improved a lot. And I hope that after this treatment, she will be fully cured. And I wish this Arogya family a very prosperous family, and in the days to come, may they be blessed with the eternal God, so that they be inspired and continue to help the other people who are in need of them. Thank you.
ঠিক আছে আমি বি ভালহে আছে এতিয়া তো আমি ঘৰ ঠিক হৈছে পইলা তো আমি বিষাইনে চাইতে বি সোমাবলৈ নাপাৰে হ'লে বি এতিয়া তো পাৰি আছে ঘৰ ঠিক হৈছে থেংক ইউ